Imagine a world where financial anxiety is a thing of the past, where every click and interaction online leads to empowerment and endless opportunity. Today, we witness a transformation sparked by bold vision, a revolution in the digital realm that turns hesitation into hope. In an era where outdated technology once held us captive and millions suffered silent uncertainty, Mr. Mufareh's new initiative emerges as a beacon of change. Every day, conventional systems remind us of limitations that stifle progress. Financial stress affects 77% of Americans, trapping them in a labyrinth of anxiety and outdated practices. These traditional models, riddled with inefficiencies and human error, have failed to provide reliable guidance or a roadmap for success. As outdated technologies falter, the chasm between potential and reality widens, leaving many to wonder if a better future is ever within reach. But imagine a different narrative, one where modern, AI-powered solutions rise to the challenge. Mr. Mufareh enters the stage at this critical moment, determined to rewrite the rules of digital engagement. His groundbreaking project does more than merely update technology. It reshapes the experience of online interaction and financial management. With advanced AI at its core, this initiative harnesses the power of predictive analytics and automated financial tools to offer clarity in uncertain times. The traditional barriers of skepticism and risk slowly dissolve as innovative technology paves the way to trust and control. As the digital landscape evolves, so too do the needs of its users. The project is not just a tool, but a transformative journey from an era defined by doubt to one illuminated by confidence. Picture a platform where AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants operate around the clock, providing personalized advice that transforms stress into strategic insight. This is a solution built on the promise of real, measurable impact, reducing financial anxiety, streamlining expense tracking, and enabling smarter, faster decisions. In this revolution, every interaction invites users to step into a future of proactive planning and financial empowerment. The evolution is not without its challenges, as the path from skepticism to confidence is often fraught with obstacles. Conventional methods and entrenched habits create resistance, fostering a climate where change feels risky and unpredictable. Yet, with each step into the modern era, barriers crumble. Mr. Mufareh's project stands as a testament to what is possible when vision meets innovation. As traditional models stumble, the fresh, dynamic strategies of this new venture offer reassurance and rekindle the belief that a better digital future is not only viable, but already unfolding. Now, as the world turns its gaze towards a digital renaissance, the pace of change accelerates. New technology, empowered by intelligent insights, is set to transform everyday experiences. Advanced tools seamlessly integrate budgeting, expense tracking, and investment management, turning the tide against financial uncertainty. The project's blend of modern design and user-centric planning creates an environment where the old fears of the digital realm are replaced by tangible, trustworthy solutions. Every click, every interaction, resonates with the promise of a safer, more accessible online world. In this modern narrative, transformation is not just an idea, it is a movement. Old paradigms give way to innovative strategies that inspire both excitement and confidence. Mr. Mufareh's initiative transcends traditional approaches, inviting digital entrepreneurs, tech-savvy professionals, and everyday users to join a journey toward clarity and empowerment. The timing is impeccable, as industries long bound by outdated practices embrace the future with open arms. Today, the uncertainty that once clouded the digital horizon is replaced by a clear vision of progress. The boundaries between risk and opportunity blur, and a new era blossoms where intelligent technology leads the way to financial well-being. The promise of transformation is real and within reach, a future characterized by smart innovation, expanded possibilities, and the certainty that change is for the better. Join the revolution and embrace AI-powered tools to take control of your financial future today.